Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to hide your own number when calling somebody on your Motorola Moto G42. Perhaps you're calling your girlfriend or friends or other people and they don't get on their phone. So perhaps they see that it's you and they don't want to talk with you. So perhaps you can try to call them with an anonymous number so that they don't see your number anymore. And that's pretty easy on the Motorola Moto G42. You click on the phone icon, then on the three dots at the top right, and then on Settings. When you are in your settings, you click here on Calling Accounts. Here you will see your provider. Here in my case it's Kongstar. And then you click on Additional Settings. And here you can see the caller ID. Use default operator settings to display my number in outgoing calls. That's a standard. So in this standard, the operator in which country you are decides if the people can see your number or not. In most cases, the standard is showing your number, but it can be that in some countries it's different. So you can change this to show number. So it doesn't matter if the provider says in standard show or show not, number will be displayed in outgoing calls every time. Okay? So and the other case is you want to hide your number, and it doesn't matter if the provider says okay, normally everybody should show their number, but you can hide your number hidden in outgoing calls. And at this moment now my number is hidden. If I call now my ex-girlfriend, ex-boyfriend or somebody, then they won't see my number anymore and they will see anonymous or unknown or something like that. Yes, this is it, how to hide your number on your Moto G42 from Motorola. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.